In this video, we'll briefly cover how to hand into a CodeGrade assignment within Brightspace. Once you're within Brightspace, simply navigate to the CodeGrade assignment you want to hand in for. Once you're there, a CodeGrade window will show up within Brightspace, with multiple options displayed to you. It can be that your window looks a little bit different than this one. This all depends on the teacher's configuration. It's always a great idea to first check out the rubric. The rubric is like a grading scheme and will tell you exactly how your assignment is going to be graded. In this case, the rubric has 4 rubric categories, all of which assessing one part of the assignment. Some of these rubric categories have the AT logo behind them, which means that they're automatically tested by our system. If they don't have this logo behind them, that means that a teacher or teaching assistant is going to manually grade this part of the assignment. Press the arrow to go back. If you've already handed in a submission, you can find that by going to the latest submission right here. If not, or you want to hand in again, you can either do that via Git, which we will cover in a separate video, or you can simply upload files directly via Brightspace. Finally, we get some hand-in instructions. Basically just saying, by default, all files are denied, except for some exceptions and requirements. In this case, we are required to hand in 3 files: exercises.py, report.pdf, and sudoku.py. If we got these files ready, we can either drag and drop them, or we can click here to find the files. If you want, you can upload a zip folder, or just select the files that you want to upload. Press submit. And if continuous feedback is turned on, right away you will be displayed with this screen, which will go over your code to test it. As I said before, some rubric categories are automatically tested by our system. In this case, the functionality Sudoku rubric category is filled in by these tests that have been set up by your teacher. There's more tests down here. If you didn't pass a test, you can simply click on it to see what went wrong. In this case, I can see I made 2 little mistakes. I can go back to my code, try to fix this, and hand in again. And because of the continuous feedback, right away I will get feedback on if I actually fixed this problem. If you want to see your code, you can go to the Code tab right here, and you can find all the code and all the files that you've handed in. If you have a question about a part of your code, you can simply press on any line to write down your question and send this to the teaching assistant or teacher. Press save, and this question will be sent to your teacher or TA so they can help you out. One final free tip. There is a full screen button up here which will allow you to open CodeGrade in a bigger window but still stay inside Brightspace. It can be, of course, that some of the features I've talked about in this video are not available to you. This is, of course, up to the configuration of your teacher. I wish you good luck with your assignments in CodeGrade.